I am Nurulan from Danish Girls School, Chishtiyan. I come from a very humble background. My father is a laborer. I got admission in Danish School, Chishtiyan in 2013. खैर दानिश स्कूल में एडमिशन लेना ही अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा टास्क था, क्योंकि आई कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी बैकवर्ड फैमिली जहाँ एजुकेशन को इतना सपोर्ट नहीं किया जाता. बट माई मदर टुक स्टैंड फॉर मी. शी वॉन्टेड मी टू स्टडी एज मच एज शी कुडंट. So I am here to fulfill her dream. I completed my FSc in 2020 from Danish School, Chishtiyan. If I talk about my career, I topped my campus like for 7 consecutive years. I also polished my co-curricular activities like debates, essay writing, and dramatics. Then I joined the highest ranked engineering university of Pakistan, PIAS, and I got the fully funded scholarship there. I completed my graduation in physics from there, and when I was in 3rd semester, I got the NESCOM fellowship. I was the only girl from my batch to get that scholarship. That was also fully funded. Now I'm working as an assistant manager in NESCOM.
Great.
And this is my short story. And the main character of my short story is you, sir. That's you. You laid an institute which helped me and thousands of students to fulfill their dreams, to get what they pursue in their life. Thank you so much.